Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce noodles without cheese, only way. Start by boiling noodles in salted water until al dente and reserving 1 cup of pasta water. Make a smooth roux with butter and flour, then whisk in milk gradually to create a silky sauce. Toss noodles with sauce, add reserved water to adjust consistency, and finish with fresh herbs for a bright, comforting dish. Gather simple ingredients and focus on technique for the best results. Use whole milk or a milk and cream blend to create richness without cheese, and measure butter and flour precisely for a stable roux. Fresh herbs like parsley or thyme add aroma, while a touch of lemon lifts the entire dish. Keep pasta water nearby to thin the sauce as needed and taste for seasoning before serving. Work steadily and keep your pan warm but not scorching to maintain a silky texture. Toasting flour and butter for just a minute removes raw flour flavor, then adding milk slowly while whisking prevents lumps. Simmer until the sauce lightly coats a spoon and use reserved pasta water to reach your preferred thickness. Toss noodles gently with sauce and finish with herbs for a restaurant-style plate at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.